The last is balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31/3/17 16 17 after admission of this is liability. Amount rupees. Assets amount. Is it clear to all? Any confusions? बोलो कोई confusion nothing भाई? Now we have to start the questions. When you start the questions, look at here. When you have to do these questions in your board examination, you have to make a table like that. Heading, the full heading is necessary in balance sheet only. Otherwise, revaluation account, partners capital account, cash account, that is better. Okay. Sum number 8, chapter number 5. Number 5. Sum number 8. Now we have to start the questions just like a balance sheet. The sum we are doing final account the same way we have to do this question. That is better for you. The first is capital of Abha and Bina. Capital of Abha and Bina. So that will be in a capital account credit side. Balance down 80,000, 60,000. Abha's account 80,000 and Bina's account 60,000. Now general reserve. Look at here, general reserve. General reserve, it's an undistributed profit. So we have to distribute among the partners. The old ratio is 2:1. So general reserve, when you distribute among the general reserve, the amount is 18,000. 18,000 you are divided in 2:1. That is 3 6 18. That is 3 6 18. 6 1 are 6 and 6 2 are 12. If check it is any mistake, then tell me. General reserve, workmen compensation reserve. It's also a part of undistributed profit. Workmen compensation reserve is also distributed among the partner. The ratios 2:1, 4,500. So 1,500, 3,000. Yes, 3,000 and 1,500 because divided by investment fluctuation reserve is also just like the same. Investment fluctuation reserve 1,500 is there. That you divide in 2:1. That is 500, and here it is 1,000. After the creditors, no adjustment in creditor. Creditors is a liability. So write in liability sides. These are general reserve, workman accident compensation reserve, and investment fluctuation reserve. These are the reserve. It's called undistributed profit. So before to admit the new partner, we have to distribute among the partners in partners capital account credit side. Now creditors, liability side creditors, and there is no adjustment. So write in outer column 28,000. Now bills payable 12,000. Bills payable 12,000. So here it is 12,000. Now we have to start with the asset side. Asset side, first goodwill is there. Just tick mark in the goodwill. Goodwill is a when any partners are admitted, old goodwill means on intangible assets and fictitious assets. Both we have to distribute among the partners as per the rule. So goodwill 18,000, the first one, and last is advertisement compensation companion expenditure. So both are, one is a intangible asset and the last one is fictitious asset. So both we have to distribute among the partners in partners capital account debit side. Just like a goodwill account. This is old goodwill. Earlier which we have discussed, that is not a goodwill. It's a different type of topic. 18,000 ratio is 2:1. Distributing the amount 2:1, that is 12,000 and 6,000. 12,000, 6,000. Now advertisement compensation expenditure. Advertisement compensation expenditure. This is 6,000. When you distribute 2:1, it's a 4,000 and 2,000. Advertisement compensation expenditure 4,000 and 2,000. Now other assets we have to record them. Now goodwill is that we are recorded. Now land and building 72,000. Land and building 72,000. Adjustment is there. What is in adjustment? It is written that the value of land and building is to be increased by 17,000. It's an increase by 17,000. 70,000 rupees are increased. So it is total 89,000. And whatever is increased, it is our profit. Because assets are increased, that is profit. Profit you have to record a revaluation amount credit side. Land and building account 17,000. Next is machinery 40,000. Machinery 40,000. And there it is. Value of machinery is to be decreased up to 32,000. Decreased up to 32,000. It means don't be decreased 32,000. Decrease up to 32,000. So how many rupees are decreased? It's 8,000 rupees are decreased. From 40,000 you have to decrease up to 32,000. Then 8,000 rupees you have to decrease. That 8,000 you have decreased. That is 30. Now 8,000 rupees machinery. Decrease the machinery. It is a loss. So write down revaluation account debit side. Machinery account 8,000 rupees. Revaluation account debited to machinery account. Stock 36,000. No adjustments. So write in the same place. Stock 36,000. Asset side only. No change in it. Debtors 24,000. Debtors 24,000, and there is adjustment in debtors, but the bad debts reserve, old reserve is given there, but the adjustment is 10%. BDR you have to kept as 10%. So BDR 10%. 10% of 24,000 is 2400. Now it is 19,600. Sorry, now not 19,600. It is 21,600. 21 to 23 and 20,000. Okay. Now BDR, it's our loss. So loss you write revaluation account debit side to BDR account. New minus old. New is 2400. Old is given in balance sheet. Balance sheet is given 2,000. Now 400 rupees are increased, so that is not right now. Because loss is increased 400 rupees. Now investment. No adjustments are there in investment. No change in it. So same you have to record here 8,000. Cash and bank. When we have to make a cash account, then you have to write the balance. Balance brought forward. The amount is 2,000. Cash balance is always be debit because it is assets. And advertisement company expenditure that we have discussed and we are distributed among the partners. Now we have to start the adjustments. The first Rushil account that we have to discuss later on 1 minute. Second, third, fourth, everything is over. Fifth one is left. Provision for outstanding electricity bill. Outstanding electricity bill is not related transaction, so we write separately. Outstanding electricity bill is the expenses of revaluation account. Outstanding electricity bill account, outstanding electricity bill account 1100, and second it is outstanding electricity bills account 1100. Electricity bill account 1100. Now next is Rushil will bring 1000 as his capital. Rushil is bringing 1000 as capital, that we are reckoned the entry. Cash account debited to Rushil account. So cash account debit side to Rushil account. Rushil's capital account. The entries are 1 lakh. We are written already the general entry of this. And the second entry is Rushil's capital account credit side by cash account. And there you write down is capital. So that is better for your understanding. 1 lakh rupees here, write down. Next is 24,000 as his goodwill. When goodwill is there, we are written the entries. When new partners bring a goodwill as a cash, the entries are there. Cash account debited to premium for goodwill account credited. So cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. Premium for goodwill account. The amount is 24,000. We don't have a premium for goodwill account. The second posting is not possible. Next is premium for goodwill account debited to partners capital account credited. So premium for goodwill account we don't have. The first posting is not possible. Now partners capital account credit side. Premium for goodwill account. GW matlab goodwill you have to keep in your mind. 24,000 distributed among the partners in the ratio of sacrifice ratio is 2:1. So distributed there it is 12,000 and 24,000 is there. So 3 8s are 16, 8,000 and 16,000. Now we have to make a total. Nothing is left, so we have to make total. First we have to close that revaluation account. It is 17,000. Credit side is more. Now 17,000 minus from this 17,000. This is your profit. Profit you have to transfer to as write down is a capital account. What is the difference? I want difference from you. Bolo, give me answer of difference. 819, 9,500, you minus that in 9, 7, 16, 7500. 7500, and that you distribute among the partner Abha and Bina. Abha and Bina. Look at here, the ratio of 2:1, that is 2:1, that is 5,000 and 2500 distributed there. That you have to transfer over here. Profit you have to transfer to capital account credit side. Look at here. Now capital account credit side we have to transfer the profit first. That is by revaluation account. We write down in profit. Entries are 5,000 and 2500. Now make it total. Always credit is more, mostly. Do it the total 80 plus 90, 92 and then 95, 96, 96 and 6, 102, 102, then 102, 117. This is 117. Now 66, 7, 8, 68 and 2, 70, 78,500. And this is 1 lakh. Now the same total write down here, 1,17,000, 78,500 and 1 lakh. Now do it the difference, 1,17,000 minus 16, that is 1,01,000. 8,000 you have to minus, that is 70,500. and this one is 1 lakh, and that you write down balance dot balance carry forward, and this is the capital part we have to write down in the liability sides. Balance carry forward. Now partners capital. Abha, Bina, and Rushil. Abha is 1,01,000. Bina is 70,500. And Rushil is again 1 lakh. Now total is 2 lakh, 71,500. Now close the cash account. The total is 1,26,000. Carry forward the next side. We don't have any amount here. The same amount we have to carry forward. That is called balance carry forward, and that you write down as a cash balance. Cash balance 1,26,000. Now you book it total on both the sides. You get the tally your total. Make it total 0, 0, 5. 516. 9 to 11, 112, 718, 19, 11, 3,12,600. Like that, we have to do the sum.